already? I was smurfing like a baby. Great Smurfs! Corey's piggy bank is gone.
Hey, what you doing? What's the problem?
Who smurfed the bell? Hurry, my little Smurfs. Corey's been robbed, and we must wake her up.
Huh? You want to help track down the thief, Garfield?
Hey, going through life with a blue lampshade is work enough. Wake me when the lasagna comes.
Let me rephrase that. Do you want to help, or do you want to be lunch?
My luck to be stuck on a dresser with a pushy alien.
An excellent opportunity to be of service. But where's Alvin? Alvin! Busy! There's someone who needs your help! What? Another autograph hound? Come on! Hey! Wait a minute! Put me down!
Steady, my little Smurfs. Steady!
Oh my goodness! I'm not late for breakfast, am I?
Oh, Pooh. It's perfectly obvious we're trying to wake Corey up, but we're not trying hard enough. Come on down there, you're not pushing.
Think. Perhaps if we wake up Kermit will wake up Corey.
Sheesh, I hate when that happens.
Why did I set the alarm on a Saturday? My bank! Someone took my bank!
The sound of a breaking piggy, if ever I've heard one.
Two sounds you can't miss. A breaking piggy and the sizzle of hot lasagna.
I don't like the looks of this.
Neither do I. No food in sight.
Somebody's coming!
All right. There must be $20 in here, easy.
I can't believe it! Corey's own brother?
Wally never did this sort of thing to the beeve.
Michael? It's me.
Go away.
I'm just looking for... Is that my piggy bank?
I told you to stay out. It fell. I was just trying to fix it.
Is he kidding?
It fell from my dresser into your room. You took it. And what's in that box?
None of your business. And keep your hands off.
What's all this for? Either someone's conducting a major chemistry experiment, or this is a serious no-no.
Toto, something tells me we're not in cartoon territory anymore.
What's that funny smell? I hate to suggest this, but my guess would be marijuana. An unlawful substance used to experience artificial highs.
You're acting really weird.
So who asked you?
If you wanted some money, you could have said something. Are you feeling okay? What's wrong with your eyes?
Nothing. Leave me alone, will ya?
Michael, you always tell me everything. What's wrong?
Michael? Honey, where are you going?
That kid's got a one-way ticket to Nowheresville.
Simon suspects drugs.
Oh my!
Oh, that's bad news.
Michael needs our help.
Then let's help him.
Come on, we have to do something.
Yeah, hurry!
Good luck.
Where'd you get the money for this stuff, Michael?
What difference does it make? I got it, didn't I?
Yeah, that's it. Do it. Makes you forget all about your sister and her stupid piggy bank, doesn't it?
Yeah, this stuff's pretty good, but I got something even better. Latest thing.
Oh, now that's cool. Mikey! Mikey, you gotta try this.
It gives you a major high, like that.
I'm in. Okay, I'll try it.
You in, Michael?
You don't want to be left out, do you?
Come on, what are you waiting for?
Try it, try it. You want him to like you, don't you? Cops! Beat it!
Wait!
Sorry, pal. At times like this, you're on your own.
Great. It was my first time. Honest. I'll never do it again.
What's up, Doc?
Huh? You're not a cop?
Okay, you win. You got me dead to rights. I'm not a cop, I'm a rabbit. But just because I got long ears doesn't mean there's nothing in between them.
You were running from a rabbit? He's a cartoon.
Look who's talking. You know, kid, you don't look so good. What's this? A joint? So what's the big attraction? I mean, how did you get started anyway?
I started because I wanted to. What do you care?
Call it curiosity, Doc, but if you're giving me that old 'cause I wanted to routine, maybe you need a little memory refresher.
A time machine?
I borrowed it from some coyote.
Hey, come back with that kid. He's mine.
Now let's see here. Where's that instruction manual?
Well, that's funny. There's a couple of beers missing.
Oh, honey, you probably drank them watching football last night. Who else would take them?
Huh. Well, I'm going to start cleaning out the garage. Call me for lunch.
Corey, is your brother all right? He's been acting so strange lately. You know, we love you both. And if there's something wrong, we'd like to help.
I don't know, Mom. I don't think so.
Thanks, hon.
Excuse me, but why didn't you tell her?
Pooh! You can talk,
Of course I can.
but you never talked before.
Why, I believe you're right. But now I have something to ask, if you please. Why didn't you say you were worried about Michael too?
If I tell and he gets in trouble, he'll blame me.
Perhaps. But what will happen to him if you don't tell?
Fasten your seatbelts. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. Next stop, 2 years ago.
Hey, way to go!
Nice catch.
Hey, thanks. And where's the color?
Listen, kid, this is the past, and the past is in black and white. Get it? This is the bit where your whole life flashes before your eyes. Do you recognize that guy, perchance?
It's me, when I was a kid.
Do tell.
You guys cruising for lung cancer or what?
We're getting high. You know, grass, marijuana.
Well, yeah, sure, I knew that. Want a hit?
What's the matter? You scared?
No.
So, you still think it was your choice?
Well, I didn't want him to think I was a wimp.
Better a wimp than an all-day sucker.
Everybody's doing it.
Come on, it's no big deal. Do it.
It's like the old saying, if everyone was jumping off a cliff, would you go too? I guess you would, wouldn't you? Not very bright. Definitely not one of the world's foremost thinkers.
Hey, lighten up on my man here. He was just experimenting with some friends.
But they're my friends. They wouldn't do anything really wrong.
Well, what makes you think they know any better than you?
Hey, he needed me. All his cares went... No worries, no bothers.
Everyone's got problems, kid. Even us rabbits. The point is, nobody gets everything they want. What's important is what's in here. You know, what makes you you. You gotta believe in yourself.
But I make him feel good. I make him...
Sure, drugs make you feel good for a while, but that's only temporary, because sooner or later... Is that what you want, Doc? Really?
Dad, can I talk to you?
Sure, anytime, sugar. What's up?
I'm worried about Michael. He's been acting really weird.
Corey, being weird is just part of being a teenager. He'll grow out of it.
I think it's more than that.
Huh?
Nothing. Never mind.
You know, for $10, I could score us some crack.
Oh, yeah, crack. Now we're talking.
You've got money, Michael.
But crack? That's serious stuff.
Come on, Michael. You're not gonna chicken out on your friends, are you?
Yeah, what are you, baby?
Got your wallet.
Hey, give me that back!
Cowabunga, dude! How did you ever get so totally cool?
What am I doing down here?
Like you fell through a radical hole, dude. You could have avoided it, but you weren't thinking. Come to think of it, that's a lot of your problem.
What problem?
Drugs, bud. Your brain must be, like, really messed up.
Drugs don't do anything to your brain. They just make you feel good, right, Mikey?
Right.
Oh, dude, if you're taking his word for it, you're really in trouble. Better see for yourself.
What are you talking about?
This.
Where am I?
Well, you're about to take a trip through the human brain, thanks to the power of imagination.
And after we go on this ride, Kermit's taking me to the Tunnel of Love. Aren't you, Kermit?
Right.
How romantic. The human brain!
You see, Michael, drugs can take you up and make you feel okay for a while.
Yeah, I'll say.
But for every up, there's a down. And the bigger the up, the steeper the down.
You're gonna all be big for this one, Frog.
You get used to thrill rides like this real fast. But pretty soon, they're not even a thrill anymore. Then you've got to take drugs just to feel normal.
What's wrong? What's happening?
Drugs. This is what they do to your brain, Michael.
Actually, this is just one artist's conception. Hey, this isn't romantic. It's not even pretty. And most important, I don't like it in here.
Where are we now? We're inside me? This is what's happening inside me?
Pretty cool, huh?
Who can think straight in this mess?
Yeah, exactly.
Hey, he's gonna fall!
Abandoned brains!
Weirdos and dicks first!
Open it!
I can't get out! It's my brain! Somebody help me! Somebody! Help me. What's happening to me?
Are you okay?
Huh? Now I'm seeing ducks? Oh, man. I gotta get off of these drugs.
Drugs? Oh, bad news, Michael. Why don't you just say no?
Well, maybe it's because I don't want to.
Maybe it's because you don't know how. Let's show him how to say no.
Well, you look like three fine lads. You know, I might have something here you'd like to try. Something to make you feel real good.
There's a million wild and wonderful ways to say no. No thanks. No way.
Better learn a few and take 'em wherever you go.
No thanks, no sir.
If your pal says let's get high,
Here's a practical reply.
Go ahead, let's fly, spit right in his eye and say no!
There's a million international ways to say no.
Those drugs are so boring.
All around the world, the smart guys are giving us dope.
I've been training for football.
If we're in, they just say no.
And they tell me that works fine, cause the bottom line's to show me trying to say no.
Now you could say beat it, get lost, get out of my face with that stuff.
But that could be tactless. You may prefer cool, like this.
I'll catch you guys later, okay?
I've got too much homework. It's rough.
I'm late for my baseball game and I'll miss my ride.
My kid sister needs me.
A hamster died.
Hurry home.
There's no time to kill.
So I'll catch you later. Like heck I will.
There's a million wild and wonderful ways to say no.
Guess I'm allergic.
And good excuse is something you never outgrow.
That's my complexion.
When your pal say, let's get wrecked.
Muster up your self-respect.
Go on, push, eject, protect yourself, get up and go. Be the first one on your block to say.
Yeah, forget it, Doc.
Try a couple of those wonderful ways to say no. Push up the next one. What? There's million zillion wonderful ways to say no. Step back, not demonstrate. There's million zillion wonderful ways to say no.
Huh? Oh, what a nightmare.
Are we alone?
I thought I told you to stay out of here.
Pooh Bear wants to know why you don't talk to Mom and Dad.
Tell Pooh Bear to mind his own business.
I just want it to be like it was before.
Yeah, well, it's not like it was. So get out of here. And if you say a word to Mom or Dad...
Ow, you're hurting me.
I didn't mean to.
Pesky brat, you did the right thing.
Well, I don't know. She is my little sister. I don't know what's right anymore. I'm not in very good shape.
You look great. Would I lie to you?
Well, whoa!
If that's me, I'm in serious trouble. We gotta do something about this.
Hey!
Hey!
I just saw myself. Man, I look great.
Uh-huh. The thing is, we don't always see things the way they really are. This one, for instance. What do you see?
Me. I see me.
Wrong! Flag on the play, 10-point penalty.
Who's that?
Well, it's not Freddy Krueger. This is you. Pretty pitiful, huh? You see, drugs aren't your pal. They're your enemy, storming the battlements, trying to take control.
I could quit if I want to. I'm in charge of my life.
Wrong! Not if you're on drugs. If you don't believe me, talk to the man in charge.
But that's me. I'm in charge of my life. The man in charge.
Hi,
Michael? I know you told me to stay out, but... Michael?
Go ahead, kid. Open the box. It won't hurt you.
Who are you?
A friend of your brother's. Open the box, Corey.
Well, if I were you, which I'm not, I wouldn't listen to him. Oh, bother!
Pooh Bear!
Relax. He's only cloth and stuffing. Besides, that bear doesn't get around much. I do. Trust me. Open the box.
What is all this stuff?
Why don't you see for yourself?
Somebody help me! How do I get out of here?
You don't want to be left out, do you? Try it. Trust me. Listen to me, Mikey. Scared to try something new? Do it!
See your future. My future?
Oh, yes, I can see it all. Well, some of it. Come in, my fine young friend, and I'll peer into your future in my little crystal ball.
Come on, Corey. Your big brother uses it.
And if I do what Michael does, maybe we could be friends again.
Sounds right to me. What do you say?
This is odd. The picture is very dark. All I can see is...
You're looking into a bowling ball.
Yes, of course. That would explain the 7-10 split.
There. Now can you see my future?
Of course I can. I've got a knack for this sort of thing, you know. Look closely. Closely. Your future lies behind those doors.
I don't think I want to see this. It's me. This is my future?
It is if you don't get off those drugs.
You use, you lose.
Listen to us. We care about you, Mikey.
What's up, Doc, is your life, if you don't cut it out.
There's nothing cool about a fool on drugs.
Just believe in yourself.
Yeah, you're excellent just the way you are, without drugs.
How do I get out of here? No! Corey, don't you ever do this stuff.
But you did it.
I was a dope. I was wrong.
Then stop, please, Michael.
I don't know if I can.
Face it, kid. We're buddies for life, whether you like it or not.
You don't have to quit on your own. Talk to Mom and Dad. They'll help. I'll help.
Listen to me, Mikey.
I think I've listened to you long enough.
Hey! You can't get rid of me this easy. I'll be back, and you can bet on it.
He's right, you know. He will try to come back.
And when he gets here, we'll be ready for him. Right, guys?
Right!
Oh, thank goodness. I thought I was going to miss something important.
Come on, sis. Let's go talk to Mom and Dad.